What's going on, guys? So on my last video you saw that the pivot ball snapped and the threads are still stuck in the transmission. So today we're going to be taking a screw extractor set and getting those threads out. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the extractor set that I got from Harbor Freight. Super cheap. Basically what you do is you take this drill bit, then you drill a hole in the broken part of the threads, like on the flat end of the threads, and then you'll take this, and when you put the drill in reverse, it threads itself into the screw and threads the screw back out of whatever is broken. So it's pretty simple, shouldn't take too long. Depending on what the bolt's made out of, it might take a bit to drill into it, but should be super simple. Alright guys, so if you could see in here, that's where the pivot ball is supposed to be. It ended up snapping right at the end of it, so the rest of the threads are still inside the transmission. So we're gonna pull this fork off. It's pretty easy, it's just in by a grommet. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is use this little punch. What it does is make a guide hole for the drill bit so that you're not just jumping all over the place. Alright, so now that we have our guide hole, we're going to take the drill bit and we're going to drill a hole into the screw. Alright, so now that we got a decent little hole, we're going to try and see if we could get the screw out with this guy. If not, we'll probably have to drill a little bit deeper. Alright, there you go guys. So whenever you use this one, you want to put it on reverse. That way when you're backing out, it's twisting the screw loose. So there we go. Alright guys, so that was super simple. If you're going to be doing this install, if you're doing a clutch or a flywheel or anything like that, make sure you buy an extra pivot ball. It's only $8. Worth the trouble of having one extra just in case it breaks and you have to do the same thing, because you don't want to put it all back together and then have it break and have to take your transmission out all over again. So just save yourself the trouble, replace the ball, and in the next video we'll be doing the flywheel and clutch onto the engine, and then after that we'll be getting the engine in. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. We'll be getting this thing running in no time, and we'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.